Chava. Hi, baby girl. There's my princess. You okay? You just sleep. Mama's here. No. You getting stressed out? It's okay. I know you don't like your breathing tube. I know. Oh, baby. You gotta sleep. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Looking at your magic light, watching over us tonight. Before my dreams take me away, I kneel beside my bed and pray for all the children in the dark till tomorrow. Twinkle, little star. I'm not going anywhere, baby. I'm right here. Mama's never gonna leave you. You go to sleep. I'll be here always, okay? I love you, Chava.